Hello, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Good evening, sir. My name is Shalomay Swekong. I'm 24 years of age. I am single and I live here in Barangay Bangkawan Norte, Concepcion, Iloilo, Philippines. I graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino, and I received a award as a cum laude. I am a working student, 3 years working student in my 3 years experience as a babysitter here in the Philippines, and I do household chores like cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, marketing, cooking, and taking care of newborn baby. And currently, I am a household helper here in the Philippines, and also taking care of 5 years old baby girl.
Okay, good.
And I am a hardworking, dedicated, patient, honest, and willing to learn the task given.
Okay, so you are single, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why you need to work in Hong Kong?
I need to work in Hong Kong to provide and support my family needs and to save for my future also.
Okay, if you have chance to work in Hong Kong, how long you want to work?
As long as I was able to work, sir, I'm willing to work.
Okay, so you can work longer in Hong Kong?
Yeah, pardon, sir?
You can work long time in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have experience taking care of baby and children, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing me 2 baby songs?
Okay. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, can I have one more song?
Okay. Row, row, row your boat, dancing on the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay, so you hold these toys, okay?
Okay.
It's like this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so can you read first 2 pages?
Okay. Hi, I'm Patrick, and I love my dinosaur. So, here's my little Dino. He's green with tiny teeth, scaly on his top side, and bumpy underneath.
Okay, one more.
My funny small Dino. His tummy is so round. Dino thinks he's very scary when he makes loud roaring sounds.
Okay, good. So this is the bottle, okay?
Okay.
Can you tell me how you make the milk for the newborn baby?
Okay, so first you need to make sure that the bottle is clean and sterilized. You need to open and put the half warm water and then put the milk, and you need to close, then shake like this, so that the milk was dissolved properly, and then add the cold water, and then you close it, and then you need to test
Okay.
if it is a warm or is it okay to feed the baby. Then
Okay.
it is okay, you need to
Feed
it's
the
all
baby.
ready to feed the baby.
Okay, so you tell me how you hold the baby.
Okay.
So you will hold like this.
Yes.
Okay, can you try to feed the baby? Okay. So may I know, after the baby drink milk, what will you do?
After the baby drink milk, you need to burp the baby like this. Hold, support your head, and then you need to put your shoulder and then rub the back of the baby until the baby is burped.
How many minutes the baby will get burped?
Usually it takes 3 to 5 minutes
3 to
until
5
the baby burp.
Okay, good. So do you know what temperature the baby have fever or get sick?
37 degrees Celsius, sir.
Okay. So if the baby have fever, then what will you do?
If the baby have a fever, first I will tell my employer, and then give I follow their instructions. I don't give the medicine to the baby unless without the permission of my employer.
Okay. So how many months the baby first teeth will come out?
5 months, sir.
So if the baby first teeth come out, what food they can eat?
You can give smashed potato, bananas, avocado, Cerelac.
Okay, good. So you stay here first. Can you tell me how you take a shower with the baby?
Yes, sir. First, you need to prepare the needs, the clean towel, the shampoo, the baby bath, bath soap. And then first, you need to undress the baby, hold his back and support the head of the baby always. And you need to wash the head gently, and then wash the body, especially the neck and the underarm of the baby.
Okay.
Then gently down the legs, especially the diaper area, the private part here. Okay, then wash gently, and then you up the baby, and then put the towel.
Okay.
Okay, the towel, and then
Okay, you put down the baby first. Okay. So I want to ask you, if you work in Hong Kong, can you taking care of one baby and one young kid?
yes, sir.
If two younger children, you also okay?
Yes, that's okay with me, sir.
Okay, very good. So here have some scenario question. Okay.
Okay.
Can you help me random to pick 3?
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. So you one by one tell me what is the question and what is your
Okay.
answer.
The question is, if a child asks difficult questions like, why do I have to go to school? How would you answer?
Yes.
Okay, so if the child asks, why do I have to go to school? I've answered, you need to go to school because you're going to learn, and that's for your future. Okay.
Okay. So how about the second question?
The second question is, if you need to take care of a newborn and an older child at the same time, how would you manage your time? Okay, so if I need to take care of the newborn and an older child at the same time, first, I need to take care of a newborn baby. I need to sleep the baby, and also the older child, or before I do my household chores, I need to secure that the baby is sleeping, and always check time to time.
Okay, very good. So how about the last question?
Last question is, feeding child to eat when the child refuses to eat. Is so dropping those food. What do you do? Okay, so while feeding the child, while eating and feeding the child, and he or she refuses to eat, and so dropping those food, I will make him or her calm and talk to the children or the baby in a nice way, and encourage to eat.
Okay, good. So do you have promise message to your future employer?
Okay, to my future employer, if you will hire me, I will do my best, and I am willing to learn in the task given, and I promise to finish my contract, and I hope you will give the opportunity to be part of your family, because I will do my very best.
Thank you.